So after all that, this is the waste that I'm left with, which you can really say these pieces are waste, but this bit can be reused for something else. So that just goes to show the importance of planning a cut list, so you don't waste stuff that you don't need to waste. So I'm just at the stage where I'm doing a dry fit up. I've marked everything here, so bottom rail, top rail, hook support, brace, shelf support. So I thought I'd just go through it and talk about and tell you the different components really. So the brace is these two bits here. They obviously brace the support between the hook support and the shelf support. Got the two shelf supports which sit on top, and obviously, as they say, there's a shelf. These are the hook supports, so there's going to be hooks here. So they'll support them, raise them out a little bit more than the three that are going to be in here. And then the top rail, the bottom rail, and then these two are called the stiles. Now I don't have any dowels that I can put in here. The ones that I have got are slightly too big, and it won't leave a lot of room either side, and I'm concerned about it splitting a little bit. So I'll be connecting the stiles up to the top and bottom rails via pocket hole screws. Now my old dear has made it clear to me that she wants a bit of colour onto this coat rack, so I've ordered some green Perspex. Obviously it's got the protective film on it in a minute, but it's an apple green colour, and the whole idea is it's going to go in here. So when it goes on the wall, it's got a bit of colour. She is going to paint this, she being my mum, so this would just be really well sanded and then given to her like that. I don't know what colour she wants to paint it, but hopefully it goes with apple green.